This project is a capacity building project for 4 countries in East Africa, that is Seychelles, Rwanda, Uganda and Kenya. And so we are implementing this project supporting the government of Uganda to build the capacity of educators. These are mainly tutors of teacher training institutes and instructors of vocational technical institutions. Now, in terms of focus, this project is focusing on training tutors in ESD. ESD is an approach to learning that integrates knowledge, skills, and values. And basically, we are training and building their capacity to be able to manage and solve sustainability challenges. We believe this is very important, especially for the country. We have so many issues of environment, economy, society that are impeding our growth, and we believe that the education sector should take the lead. And therefore, going through teacher training institutes is a very handy approach, because these eventually reach out to the bigger population in terms of student teachers and the pupils.
So for us, we focused mainly on sustainable development 4, 13 and 15. And mainly we are looking at what we call waste and waste management, because waste was a major challenge in our college. Therefore, we embarked on waste management. From waste management, we also came up with an idea of starting what we call the botanical garden, mainly including the indigenous medicinal plants. And therefore, we are getting the biodegradable waste from our dustbin, and then we are using it as manure in our botanical garden.
So we as students of science, we prepared a botanical garden where we have planted a lot of herbal plants that provide us with herbal medicine. And one of the plants I've planted or I've selected to put there is, the local name is Namirembe. Then its English name is billy goat weed. It will help you to heal ulcers. In case you have flu, it can heal your flu. In case you have also some skin diseases, it can use it for bathing. So please, let's make a best use of weeds we have in our gardens. They are not weeds, but they are medicinal plants.
If we can get our environment and we use it very well, it can also be very helpful to our lives. So I urge you, everybody who is there, to protect the environment as we are doing here at Kibuli kwa PTC.
Kubanga kasasiro yatambulanga natuuka neri mu kisaawe yonna wabanga wajjudde. Naye okuva lwe twafuna chance tuyigiriza project eyo, twasobola kikwasaganya ne tuba nti tukifunyemu nga abantu b'ekitundu, kubanga waliwo n'abazze ne bakiraba nga twakakimaliriza twakakijjako engalo ne bakigula okukitwala mu bitundu ebirala mu mazoona amalala, era nsuubira batandise n'okuzimba olwaleero naddala mu Lubuga. Ndabye baleese emiti nabe kitegeeza baagala kutandika kuzimba kino, kuba kasasiro abeera wamu empewo tesobola mufuumuula, ate nga ne community zifunamu